If we want to lock apps with a fingerprint on Xiaomi 15 Ultra, we need to go to Settings. Then over here we need to scroll down to Apps, and we're gonna go to App Lock. We need to turn it on. First we need to provide the password that we want to use. We are asked to use the pattern, but we can tap on the change password over here in order to choose PIN or password, and we're gonna use PIN in this example. I'm gonna enter a simple PIN, press next. We need to do this twice to confirm our password. I'm not gonna agree to use Xiaomi accounts, I can press not now. And then after 5 seconds we can confirm that we don't want to use the Xiaomi account. There we go. And of course, first we can immediately select, we can keep going and press use app lock and immediately select all these apps to be locked that you have suggested over here. But we can of course untick them as well, unselect them, and then we can choose to use app lock again. So first we need to verify ourselves by using the fingerprint, and there we go. So as you can see, we can immediately use the fingerprint. Of course, we can select which apps should be locked. So let's say I'm gonna choose YouTube and, for example, Netflix. And now if I try to access any of these, then I need to provide my fingerprint. Of course, I can still choose to use password instead, but I can use my fingerprint in order to get access to the app. In addition to that, if you already have app lock set up, but you didn't set up fingerprint before and now you want to start using it again, then you can tap on this setting icon here in the top right corner. And then in biometrics, you want to make sure that fingerprint unlock is enabled. And that's pretty much it. Of course, the fingerprint sensor must be set up before you start using it in the app lock. So if you want to set up the fingerprint first, then in the settings, you want to go to fingerprints, face data, and screen lock. And over here, we can use the fingerprint sensor. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.